Okay, we have here today another integral. This one's from Caltech Math Meet 2025 Finals 31. We have the integral of sine 2x minus sine squared x over cosine 2x minus cosine squared x dx. Okay, the whole problem on this one is what do you do when you've got different angles, right? Because we're inputting 2x over here and x over here. Well, my thinking on it is we kind of have a choice. We can try to get everything into just single angle, just a single x, or we can get everything into the double angle. Maybe there's different ways, but it's usually going to be a lot easier with our different identities if we have everything in the same angle. So I think what I'm going to do is try to use double angle formulas on these things and try to get it to be single angle. So for sine 2x, we have, this is the same thing as 2 sine x cos x. And then for cosine 2x, I think there's multiple formulas, but let's use this one, I think. Cosine squared x minus sine squared x, just because I think it's going to work well with this term. So we'll plug this back in and see what we have. So for this, we're going to have 2 sine x cos x minus sine squared x. Then plug this in for cosine 2x. But then from here, cosine squared x minus cosine squared x, that's a 0, so we can just cancel that out. Now I can factor a minus sign out here and a 2. No, I can't really factor that 2. Let's leave that 2. So factor the minus sign out front. What I can factor is we have sine in common here. So if I do that, we'll pull out a sine x. Then this is going to become 2 cos x minus sine x. And this is going to all be over sine squared x. But that's going to let me cancel this one with one of these. And then what we can do is divide the sine x into the numerator. So splitting this up into two integrals, for the first one, dividing the sine, and this is going to become just 2 cotangent x. Then for the second one, minus times minus is going to be plus, but then sine into sine, that's just going to be a 1. So we're just integrating 1 dx over here. So let's just do this one here. So integrating that, we get an x. Over here, we're going to have minus 2. Integral of cotangent x is just going to be natural log sine x, or natural log absolute value sine x. Add a plus c on the end, and that's it. So there you go. Quick and easy problem today from Caltech Math Meet 2025. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.